In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a piece of text into a clickable phone link, perfect for making it easy for others to reach out to you quickly. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that every detail is clear and easy to follow. Imagine someone visiting your document or web page and needing to contact you without the hassle of manually dialing a number. This method can save them time and improve their overall experience. To get started, you'll first need to highlight the text that you want to transform into a link. This text can be anything, perhaps as simple as "call us," or it could be an actual phone number. The idea is to make this text clickable, triggering a phone call when selected. Once you have your text highlighted, direct your attention to the top of your screen, to the ribbon. Here, you'll navigate to the Insert tab. From there, look for an option labeled Link. Alternatively, for a quicker method, you can simply right-click on the selected text and choose Hyperlink from the available options. This action will open the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, your toolbox for setting up the link. Within this dialog box, there are a couple of fields to pay attention to. First, you'll see Text to Display. It's important to ensure that the text shown here is exactly what you selected earlier. If you see a mistake, now's the perfect time to correct it. Next, focus on the Address field, or the section labeled Link to Existing File or Web Page. This is where you'll enter the phone link. Here, we use what's called the TEL protocol, a simple yet powerful way to format a phone link. Begin by typing TEL, followed directly by the phone number. It's important to note that there should be no spaces, and typically, no punctuation is needed outside of dashes. Depending on your location or intended audience, you may want to include a country code. For example, if you're formatting a US number, it might look something like tel.12345678890. Be sure to input this number accurately, as this will be the number dialed when the link is clicked. Once you've got everything filled out correctly, go ahead and click OK. Now, this is the exciting part. Clicking the link, as long as you're on a device that supports phone calls, should automatically initiate a call. Isn't that fantastic? In just a few straightforward steps, you've made it seamless for others to get in touch, adding a professional, user-friendly touch to your document or web page.